How to know your system architecture, that it is 32-bit or 64-bit? Friends, to find it out, we need to launch command prompt. After that, you need to type a command here, that's echo space percent processor underscore architecture, then again percent. You can type the exact command that's shown on the screen and wait for the outcome. Here it is, it's AMD 64-bit. Now let's find out the another way. Tap on the Windows button, go to settings, about system, and scroll down the left side menu to the bottom. Here you will see about, and within that you can see the system type, 64-bit operating system, 64 based processor. So the third method to find it out, press Windows button, search for the task manager. This is the particular method to show the installed apps are 64-bit or 32-bit. After launching the task manager, go to the details. Here you will see multiple columns. Right click on the status, select columns and scroll down to check box in front of platform. Here it is. Here. Mark it out and you will see a new column about system architecture. The apps running on your device are whether 64-bit or 32-bit. Currently there are multiple apps which are running on the 32-bit architecture. The last and the fastest one, right click on this PC icon and scroll down to properties. Here you will see the system architecture. Here you will see the system architecture type. Thanks for watching, guys.